Hey guys, it's Ronnie coming at you with a new exciting lesson about verbs. So exciting, but it's cool because I'm going to teach you something about a noun. And it's a wonderful journey about a noun becomes a verb. What? And the way that we do this is we take a noun and we put different suffixes. So a suffix just means something we add at the end of a word. So what we do is from a noun to become a verb, we can put eyes. Oh, that sounds like eyes. We can put ate. We can put n, or we can put if I. What? What are we talking about at the end of the noun? Let me give you an example. So let's say that I have something that is hard. Ooh, what could be hard? You want to make the thing soft. So we would say, I'm going to soften something. An example would be a sponge. Let's say that you had a sponge. And when the sponge is dry, it's kind of hard. So we add water to it to soften the sponge. So when we put these endings on it, it means to become something. So we have soft. We want to make it softer. It becomes soften. So it becomes soft. What other things can become soft? They're actually sometimes hard. Can you think of something other than a sponge? I'll let you work on that one. Let's go through the list. So, like I said, we have eyes, which is kind of like these things that you're looking at, but that's just a pronunciation. So, again, all of these verbs mean to become or grow into something. So, if we take our noun of authorize, what's the noun here? Think about this. Publicize. To make something public or to become public. So we have the noun of public. To make it into a verb, we put the eyes in it. So publicize means you make something public. Oh, hold on, this is getting easier. Commercialize. So you take something and you make it commercial. What does that mean? You're not making an ad. You're making it into a business. So you commercialize something to make a profit. Authorize. Authorize means you make something legal or you make something proper. Oh, that's such a terrible way to do things. So I can authorize something. I can say, I'm giving you permission to do it. So I authorize, I publicize, and I commercialize. I make it happen. We're making it happen. We're taking a verb, we're taking a noun, we're making it happen by making it a verb. Ate. To make, again. So these kind of all have the same meaning, but the endings are different. And the point of this is, in English, we can't say like, oh, I activized. No, you didn't activize, you activated or activate. So regulate, make something regular. Activate, make something, what's the noun? Active. You can activate charcoal or other things. Oh, look at this word, hyphenate. Do you know what a hyphen is? We hyphenate words. So if there's two words, we want to put them together, but they don't go together, we use a hyphen. It's like a dash. So some people can hyphenate their name. If you have two last names together, you hyphenate. So again, these are changing the noun and making it a verb. It's like magic. I'm telling you, I'm a magician. This is kind of the easiest one, but the most useful, I find. So to become with end. Make something soft or become soft is to soften. Make something longer, we lengthen. Make something stronger, we strengthen. Those kind of change a little bit, but you're smart. You can do it. I understand. You can understand. You can do it. And the last one, if I had what? No, if I. To make or to cause. So purify. What do you think it means? It means to make or become pure. You can purify water. identify. So you, oh yeah, I know what that is. You identify something. And this is a good one. Liquefy. To make something into a, what do you think? What's the noun? Liquid. You've got it. My brain's kind of liquefied at the moment, but this is a really fun way that you can see how a noun magically transforms into a verb in English just by adding a suffix or an end to the noun. This will help you a lot in writing. It'll help you a lot in speaking, reading, all the English skills that you need. So I'm off to go liquefy some mango and make a margarita. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.